This is the easiest way to upgrade your 3rd gen. These are the all-new 4Runner Lifestyle Heritage taillights for the 3rd gen 4Runner.
Oh no, do that there, touch them toes.
That's 1996 to 2002, if you're wondering. Let's open them. Use knives wisely. I liked that noise. These are cool. Yeah, that's an upgrade. All right, these taillights are plug and play and super easy to install. Let me show you how quick and easy it really is. Drill or ratchet, extended 10mm. So in order to access the plug, we're gonna need to get behind this liner a little bit. We need to remove just a couple screws. One down here and one right up here. We'll go ahead and start by taking this bottom one out. Next, the other screw is right up here. Once you remove this screw, this plastic piece will come out with it. Next, we're gonna get this bottom piece up. All you have to do is lift it up just a little bit. You don't wanna pull it too hard or bend it or break it. So you just pull it up, comes out just like that, will be plenty enough. Next, stick your hand in here and we're gonna go ahead and pop out this liner in a few spots. Just like that, work our way down here, work our way down here until you feel it slide out, just like that. That will give you enough space to get behind here and undo and reclip your new light. So you have a clip and a grounding screw right there. You're gonna wanna get your 10mm, remove this grounding screw that's located right there, I'm touching, and take off this clip. So we'll take our 10mm ratchet, just work that out. Okay, when you take this off, there's gonna be a couple washers on it. Be sure you don't lose them, and be ready to put this screw back. Next, we'll go ahead and undo this clip. It's got a little plunger on the bottom side right here that you'll feel with your finger. You just push the underside of it, and the whole thing should come out, just like that. Okay, lastly, this one is electrically taped to this little clip. You're just gonna wanna take a little knife or something to gently remove that tape or just slide it off the top, just like that. Now your taillight is ready to be removed. Pushing it sideways, with the plunger already taken out, you'll just work this wire all the way out, set this aside. Next, we're gonna take our new taillight. Notice how there's a place for the ground and a clip and another plunger that comes with the light. So you're gonna gently feed this through this hole, getting your plunger in place and making sure that it sits, because this is what makes this is what keeps the water out. Okay, so with the right pressure and maneuverability, you'll get that plunger in there. And remember, the seal needs to be good. That is what makes this waterproof. Next, we're just gonna go ahead and seat the taillight into place by lining up the 2 pins on the side and pushing it in sideways. Just like that, it's ready for us to finish the wiring on the inside. So now that we have our wires on the inside, make sure those are pulled tight. Pull that down just the same way it was. And now you're gonna need to separate these a little bit just so that you can put this with the ground, because this is your grounding wire, and plug this in. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in first. Just like that, that's plugged in. Next, we're gonna take the other grounding wire as well as this ground, take the bolt, hold this back, thread them both through, just like that first. Find and locate your hole, should be right here. Okay, and then with your fingers, go ahead and make it tight, and then we'll go ahead and come in with our ratchet and finish the job. Just make sure it's nice and tight. It doesn't need to be crazy tight, but just so you feel tension. And just like that, you're all plugged in. All you need to do now is replace all these clips. And all you need to do there is just push them into place. Just like that, everything clicks back together. It's the beauty of having a Toyota. They're like big Legos. Push everything back in. And then to finally set your plastic pieces, we'll put our screws back in, one that we got from down here. And along with the plastic piece, slide this one in up here by doing the same. Just until that's firm. Now finally we'll replace our two 10mm bolts out here so the taillight will sit nice and flush. And then go ahead and tighten them down. After you get the one side on, plugged in and put back together, the process will be the exact same on the other side of the vehicle. And there you guys have it. The whole thing took me about 15 minutes to do, and it's a clear upgrade. You have huge projection from these LED lights now versus the halogen. The brake lights are way brighter, turn signals are incredible. Overall, this is a complete upgrade. So if you like these tail lights and you'd like them on your 3rd gen 4Runner now, they're available at 4runnerlifestyle.com. We will link these tail lights in the description below. And we'll see you guys on the next one.